Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Biz Castillo, 29 years old. I am married, I have two kids, and I am from Bulacan, Philippines. My first work experience as a domestic helper is here in Malaysia. I am currently working here, serving an extended Chinese family with 11 members. Have 3 elder, 5 adults, and 3 kids. They own a 3-story house. They have 3 maids including me. They own 5 cars and have 4 dogs. My duties and responsibility here: cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking, taking care of the dog, taking care of the kids every night, and sometimes I do car washing. I start working here from August 22, 2023 and is about to finish my contract this coming August 2025. Mom and sir, if you were to choose me, I can assure you that I am hardworking, flexible, honest, kind, trustworthy, loyal, and can easily learn. I promise to serve your family with all my heart, with love and care. Thank you and have a good day. Please visit my bio in Helper Library. And once again, thank you.